Right.
Hello everybody, today is a bisque day, so let's open it. Now, as you can tell, this is perfect. Gil made it, of course. This is, I mean, it's really like amazing. Everything he does is amazing. Okay, that he did. It's actually a plate for a planter. That's a planter. A low one. A low planter. Hello, low planter. Okay. Okay, that I can't really explain, so I'm not going to. That made the kid that I have coming to see me.
Looks like a polar bear.
That I don't know. That too, and this one as well. That Kochi made. That also the kid made.
What is it?
I don't know. Not everything needs an explanation. That I made. It's supposed to be like a lizard, or I don't know. Sometimes I get bored, so I make crazy things. Okay. Kochi made it. It says Smadar and Edmond. That's for her sister. Okay. Now, here comes the fun part, because this is all my crazy things that I do. Okay, that sometimes, I know what I wanted to make. Oh. Okay, so this is, no, it's dirty, but we made like a frame at my daughter's school, and I decided I was gonna like use things like here. I would glue some stuff here and here, something like that. I would fill it up, not too much. And that would be like the frame.
Whoa.
If I'm not going to break them. Unless I'm going to break them, you know. And it's a sea turtle, because we like turtles.
Yes, it's cute.
It's a cute turtle. That's a plate that Kira made, and
nice.
And that one too. Let me show it to you. Oh, she just it's like a fish in the sea.
Before it gets dry, she could just use toothbrush.
Yeah. No, she
clean.
wants it. I told her. She wants it to be like that. She deliberately did it like that. So,
okay.
Go figure. No. Anyway. Okay. That's a mushroom, and that's my seahorse. It's a cute.
It's a bold seahorse.
It's a bold one. Yes. Maybe I should have made him like a mohawk. Okay. That's another turtle.
I want to see his side. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Now, That's also part of the painting that I'm doing. Okay. Now this. Oh, I gotta show you this too. That's our snuba. It says snuma.
Snuba.
Snuba.
Diving school.
It's a diving school in Eilat, and I bought this
Stamp.
on the stamp in AliExpress. I ordered it, and I actually did it. I took their logo because I have their shirt, and they actually printed, and I think it's amazing. Okay, Berko, that's the last name.
Ah, okay.
So that's the first name, their first names.
So they are going to hang two plates, two different
yes.
plates?
One below the other or something like that. Okay. Ah. This I made for my mom. This, she wanted utensils holder.
Yeah.
Yes. So I made it for her. It's nice. I like it. Now, guess who made it?
Gil.
Light as a feather. Light as a feather. I'm angry. I'm angry. How can anybody make something like that after maybe 4 times that he's been doing it? Doesn't make sense. That made... Who made it? Oh, well, I know one of the kids that I have, the girls, one of the girls, and that too. That made Metanyan, my other kid student. It's nice. That Kira made, and that. A little butterfly. And look at that. I mean, I think it's very nice.
Yeah. It's a pitcher?
No, it's a cup.
A cup?
It's a cup. It's a mug.
Mug.
It's a
humongous mug.
It's a humongous.
Looks like a pitcher.
Yeah. That also the kid made. It's beautiful. Okay. Now, that's my doing. That's, it's a coral. It's a coral that I invented. Okay. Oh my God, it fits perfect, even though I'm sure he didn't, he didn't make it for this, but look at that. It's amazing how it fits perfect. Oh my God, he's gonna love it.
So how did he make the lid?
He made it for something else, I think.
Show me the stingray.
Oh, the stingray, yes. It's a stingray. We love stingrays.
You will put the blue dots on his back.
Yes, why not? And that's the last one. The kid made it, and that too, and if I'm not mistaken, that plate, he made it as well. No. I know who made it. Okay. That's her sister. She made this. Okay. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next video.